Hey everyone, this is Kevin with Inventimart, and here I have an experiment going where I'm just basically trying to film the hot end while it's printing. And what I did is I got one of those cheap USB microscopes off of eBay, and I've had it for a while. I just thought I'd try hooking it up to the printer because my other printer is too small for it to actually be hooked up to. This one's big enough where I can actually put it on to the side and still be able to print quite a normal size thing. And anyway, what I'm actually doing here, it looks like my bed's not level. What I'm actually adjusting the hot end, I can raise or lower it with a 3mm screw. I can just turn it and it raises up or lowers. You can see right there, I raised it up a little bit. That was probably about a full turn there. As it prints here, you can see it's printing normal now. And I probably should have put it down a little bit because it's not quite sticking quite as good as it should have been. I think I did lower it a little bit more after that. I saw that there. But anyway, what I'm printing is the 20mm cube, and basically it's just the cube by itself. And the speed that I'm printing at right here is really, really slow. Actually, I'm not sure what speed it was. Let me check and see. It's 30% of 20mm per second, so it's basically like 6mm per second, or 6.5. Or 6 3/4 actually. But anyway, that's the speed that this is printing at here. It's really, really slow. And that's the only way I could get it a good clear image without it shaking way too much. And I basically let this print like this at this speed for the first several layers, like 4 or 5 layers. I have it set pretty thick for the top and bottom layer because I was printing some structural stuff like 1.2mm thick or something like that. But this is a 0.5 diameter nozzle, and I'm printing at 0.25mm height. And that's just the 20mm cube, and it's just gonna go through the whole thing. I'm just gonna let it sit here and do its thing. I'll let you listen to some music if you want to stay and watch it. And I do increase the speed later on. But if you see there, that little blurb there, it just didn't stick for some reason. You probably need to clean the bed again. But what I found that works best for me for glass is besides the heated bed and those plain glass, is cleaning it with fingernail polish remover. I don't know why it works, but it works awesome for PLA to stick. It sticks perfect to it. I don't know what the deal is with it, but it works. Pure acetone doesn't work. It doesn't stick to pure acetone, but the fingernail polish remover works. Anyway, here's some music. Keep on watching. Well, so that's pretty much it for this thing. It's almost done printing. Turned out pretty good. There's a little bit of a mess up on the edge, but for the most part, it seems to be alright. And there's the inevitable cat hair when you have a black cat. Oh, sigh.